Hi, hello everyone. My name is Tangamari. I am an embedded programmer. Now I am working in Spiro-Professional in Chennai. We are going to discuss about the topic is next generation for monitoring the weather conditions like soil moisturing and what rainfall and temperature and humidity. Here in this project, we will main objective of this project is monitoring the remote area parameters on the weather conditions. Now existing system means if we monitor the weather condition means anyone go to the remote area and go and what is the rainfall occur, what is how much temperature, how much humidity is present in that area. Now the existing system means we can monitor the automatically and upload through the net by using a GPS technology. So we go for the block diagram of this project. This is our block diagram. Here we use the thermal sensor here for weather condition. But what's known as TWL tipping bucket with rainfall sensor. This sensor used for how much rainfall occur in that remote area. Another one is temperature sensor. Temperature sensor measure what is the current temperature of that particular area. Also soil measuring how much rainfall occur. Moisture is present into the soil, how much it is also located. Also GPS is connected in this peak microcontroller. That is receive what is the current location by using the latitude and longitude. All the sensors values and GPS values are loaded into peak microcontroller. It is 8-bit processor. Also it is connected with MAX 232. MAX 232 acts as a level connector. This main purpose of MAX 232 is interface the peak microcontroller and GPRS modem. Here the GPRS modem is acts as a internet medium. Now suppose we upload all the sensor parameter net means we will go for the PC. Without PC we can upload all the parameters using the GPRS modem. GPRS modem is only available for net by using the computer and the mobile, but here we use the hardware for the GPS modem. By using the GPS modem we can upload all the temperature and soil GPS value all using the GPS. Also here we also LCD is used here. Here also LCD is used for what is the current status of the soil temperature in this area. So anyone in the world, anywhere, he can monitor that all the parameters using this project. Thank you.